I never made it, but I know what it takes. I'm motivated by a mix of emotion. Got my statement.
Buenos días a todos en casita. Yo soy la profesora Paulina Ramírez de la asignatura de danza y conmigo van a estar trabajando las pausas. La pausa activa del día de hoy tiene que ver con bailes y danzas de México. Vamos a ver el jarabe poblano, solo una partecita que se llama el perico. Empezaremos a explicar qué es lo que van a hacer los pies. Vamos a hacer unos punteados. Va a ser en forma diagonal. Lo primero que va a hacer es va a picar la punta de atrás con el pie izquierdo y luego cambiamos a enfrente con el pie derecho. Después de los punteados vas a dar un giro hacia tu derecha y se alterna todo, empezando los punteados con el pie derecho atrás. Va a quedar 1, 2 y giro a la izquierda y va punteado 1, 2 y giro y 1, 2, giro, 1, 2, giro. En el caso de las niñas, sus bracitos van a ir aquí abajo como si estuvieran sosteniendo una falda. Lo haremos todo junto a una velocidad lenta. Queda de la siguiente manera. 1, 2, vuelta. 1, 2, vuelta. 1, 2, vuelta. 1, 2, vuelta. Vamos a aumentar un poco la velocidad y queda de la siguiente manera. 1, 2, vuelta. 1, 2, vuelta. 1, 2, vuelta. 1, 2, vuelta. Ahora lo haremos con música. Por el día de hoy, espero que te haya gustado. Esperamos tu video y nos
Hi dear students, how are you? I hope that you are great today. We are going to start with the vocabulary and then the explanation about the topics of today. Okay, first practice and repeat after me please. The first word is prediction. Prediction is talk or guess about future. Okay, next story. Story is a narration. For example, the story of the toys, Toy Story, or the story of the Cinderella, okay, is a narration. Vacation. Vacation is the holiday or a period of vacation. For example, I went on a vacation to Hawaii, or I went on a vacation to Brazil, for example. Okay, continue watching the video for more explanation about the topics. Subject pronouns. Pay attention to the following explanation. A subject pronoun is a word such as I, you, he, she, it, we, and they that carries out the action expressed by the verb. Okay, the subject. You, he can be a boy, she is a girl, it can be an animal, an object, or a thing. We is plural, and I include it, and they is plural too. But I'm talking about other person or other people. Okay. For example, if you write he, you can write in the same sentence the name of the person. For example, she is the same as Anna. Okay. Or it is the same as table, for example. So if you write a sentence, for example, Anna is beautiful. Okay, you can write she is beautiful. It's the same. Okay, he is my brother. Peter is my brother. Here we have an example. Peter is my brother. Peter is the person. Okay, the same sentence, he is my brother. He is the same person. In this case, he is Peter. if you write he, you can write the name of the person. If you can write, you have to write only he or Peter, the name of the subject, the personal pronoun. The activities are: read your awesome reader. Then write in your notebook the characters of your awesome reader and play Kahoot.
I never